I can't remember what it's like to hold one you love by your side. Or maybe I just can't seem to sing to save my life. When I'm with you, there's no reason for why. I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all of my life. When I'm with you,
I promise to put God first in our relationship so that we'd have a fruitful marriage. I promise to hold you close in the tough times and to laugh with you in the good. I promise to love you more each and every day than the day I did before.
I prayed until God popped the question in my head. How would Noah do this? There was only one answer to this question. You would just do it with your entire heart, because that's how you do everything. Any new trick you learn, any challenge you face in your relationship with God, you don't get worked up or overwhelmed. You just restlessly with your whole heart until you have achieved something great. The first time I got to see this amazing quality was actually when you asked me to be your girlfriend. Everyone knows that we met in middle school and we got the blessing to meet you on September 15th, 2017. Just 7 days later, you pulled off your first over-the-top, unimaginably breathtaking Barney Stinson level scheme to ask me to be your girlfriend. After just 7 days, you went all out, just because that's who you are. You didn't overthink it or play the what-if game, you just did it with your whole heart. I make just one promise to you, Noah. I promise not to overthink every little thing in the new life we are creating, but just to love you with everything inside of me forever.
when I'm with you, there's no reason for why. I'm intoxicated by your side. Nothing in the world's gonna beat this high. I've been searching for all